Welcome back. Now look at this example. Class are given along with their frequencies and we have to find their modal values. So by the given formula, so this way we have to find the modal value. The lower limit plus f1 minus f0 divided by 2f1 minus f0 minus f2 into I. So this f1, f0 and f2 are the frequencies. So this f1 is the frequency of modal class. So the class which is having the highest frequency is your modal class, where you have that frequency is f1. f0 is the frequency of previous class of the modal class, and f2 is the frequency of next class. So f2 is the frequency of the class which is just after your modal class. Then L is the lower limit of your modal class, and we know that I is the width of the class. So this way the formula is given for calculating modal value. Okay. So then considering this example, the class with from 5 to 10 with 18 frequency is very much clear. This is your modal class. So where do you expect the mode in this particular class? Then this is nothing but your f1, this would be your f0, and this value will be the f2 value. Okay, considering these all three values along with limit, lower limit, and also the width of the class, your substitution is like this. L is 5 of the modal class plus f1 minus f2, that is f1 minus f0, so it is 18 minus 10 divided by 2 into 18 minus 10 minus 15. This thing into the width of the class is 5. So 5 each. Alright. So this is the simple calculation. Now 18 minus 8 will give you 18 minus 10 will give you 8, and let me multiply that with 5, so that gives me 40. Okay, so 18 into 2 gives me 36, minus 25 gives me 11. Alright, so I have to calculate this fraction, so that gives me 3.63. So that gives me 3.63. So our mode value for this distribution is 8.63. So this is the value of mode we have calculated, which is coming in this class. And again, considering the midpoint of this class, which could be 7.5, 8.6 is much towards right side. Okay, so 8.63 would be the value of mode as per this formula. So there are two more ways to calculate mode. There are two more formulas to calculate mode, and also we can locate this mode value by using graph. So on the graphical method also mode value can be plotted. All right. So now considering the frequencies here, so 10, 18, 15, 6 and 4, and also their values, also the class intervals 0, 5, 5, 10, 10, 15, 15, 20 and 20, 25. So the graph is drawn like this. On y-axis we will usually have frequencies, and on x-axis we'll be having the class intervals. Okay, so there are 5 classes. So if this is 0, then by taking the same width for 1 centimeter each, okay, and then the frequencies we have got, the 18 is the maximum frequency. So if I consider for 1 centimeter of frequency 2, so these are my frequencies on y-axis with 1 centimeter considering the frequency 2. So the first class from 0 to 5 is having frequency 10. So here I have to have, so this is nothing but the histogram you are drawing, or you can say still say bar chart. Then from 5 to 10 we have 18. So this is the maximum frequency. Then the next thing is 15. So 14 is here, 15 would come around here somewhere. Then we have 6. And then the last class is having 4. Okay. Then the class which is having the maximum frequency, so that is 5 to 10. Here we have the maximum frequency. So these 2 points we need to join. Okay. So to have the intersection. So this point and this point, as well as this point. So we will have the intersection here. So then the intersection point and then one perpendicular to this near this. So this gives me the value of mode. So this is how graphically you denote mode. So now considering this point here, okay. So anyway, this is nothing but the 1 centimeter we are consider of 5 width. So in between we'll have here 7.5 somewhere. So this is also coming to 8 here. So which is near to 10 but much away from 5. So from the accurate value on the graph sheet, you can find this point, what could be the value of mean when you find it using graphical method. So this is how you find the mode by using the graphical method. So alright, hope you have understood both the examples. So we have 2 more such methods that we'll be discussing in the next videos. So till then, practice the same example. Also, you practice by using the graphical method and as well as this normal method. Practice the remaining examples from the notes as well. So we'll meet in the next video with new concept. Till then, take care of yourself, take care of your family members, and also follow all these guidelines. Thank you.